Hello and welcome to the TiXel Shopify app. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create and connect a pixel to your Shopify store using TiXel. So let's get started. After installing TiXel from the Shopify App Store, please make sure that you enable TiXel's app embed from your theme editor. Then please head over to the All Pixels page, click on the Add Pixel button, and choose the platform you wish to install a pixel from. As you can see, TiXel supports various platforms, but for this tutorial, we'll use TikTok as it is one of the most popular pixel platforms merchants use. Next, you need to choose the TikTok pixel type. We recommend you to choose an Events API pixel because it is using server-side events, which are most accurate. Then, head over to the TikTok Ads Manager and log in. Please make sure that you are logged in as the account's owner, as it is required by TikTok when creating a new pixel. Hover your mouse over the Tools top menu button, then click on Events Manager. Click on the Connect Data Source button, choose Web, click Next, and paste the URL to your store. Click on Next. Next, choose Manual Setup and click Next. Choose Events API, click Next, and name your pixel. For this tutorial, I'll give it a name, TiXel Demo 2026, and then click Create. In the next screen, you'll have to remove several unused events from the business funnel. So please hover your mouse over the Add to Wishlist event and delete it, search and delete, add payment info, delete, place an order, and complete registrations. Those events are unused and are irrelevant to this pixel. Then click on Next. Great, the pixel has been created. Please copy the pixel ID that is now appearing on the screen and head over to the TiXel tab over here, paste it under the pixel ID and get back to the TikTok Ads Manager tab. Click on the Generate Access Token button and copy the access token that has been generated. Then you can click on Next and finish. That's it. You can close the TikTok Ads Manager tab and head over back to the TiXel tab. Paste the access token you've just copied and give the same name or any other name to the pixel. So it will be TiXel Demo 2026. Then click on the top Save button. In the next screen, TiXel will trigger mock events for this pixel, so you'll be able to start using it within a few minutes. Great, and you are done. You have successfully created and connected a pixel to your Shopify store using TiXel. Thank you very much, and please reach out to our support team for any questions or help. Have a great day ahead.